Hey, everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best drones of 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best drones of 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Link on the description. This is Xiaomi MIJIA 4 DRC V2 mini pocket drone. $4,000 FPV camera. Embedded design, all-in-one, easy to carry. Link on the description. Lightweight body with mini folding. Rookie Control 0 basics to get started easily. Link on the description. 1 key takeoff landing. Camera on plumb. Small and convenient, as light as a phone.